Hi, in this video I want to talk about our hardware and software requirements for CRANEbee. Starting with the minimum requirements we need. A stable internet connection, Microsoft Windows 10 or 11. An Intel i5 7th generation OR and AMD Ryzen 5 1000 series CPU. 4 GB of RAM, at least 1 GB of disk space. The actual needed space depends on your crane fleet. Moving on to the recommended requirements. They are a stable and fast internet connection, Microsoft Windows 11, an Intel i7 14th generation OR and AMD Ryzen 7 9000 series CPU, 32 GB of RAM, at least 1 GB of disk space. The actual needed space depends on your crane fleet. A dedicated graphics card with 4 GB of VRAM or better. For example, NVIDIA Quadro P2000 or AMD Radeon Pro 7. This is especially recommended for use with AutoCAD. For a list of all Autodesk certified graphics cards and drivers, please follow the link in the description. Now to some specific recommendations. Single core boost frequency, sometimes called turbo, in CPUs matters a lot with beefier crane databases in CRANEbee. Here are some recommendations for high-end processors. Note that these recommendations may only apply to the time this video was uploaded, although they will still be very good in the future. They may not be recommended by us any longer later on. For desktops, Intel Core i7 14700K, AMD Ryzen 7 9700X for laptops, Intel Core i7 14700HX, AMD Ryzen 7 Pro 8840U. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, drop us a line at our support desk. See you soon.